The IPL 2025 season progresses with its second match against Rajasthan Royals and Sunrisers Hyderabad on March 23rd, hosted at the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium, Hyderabad. Sunrisers Hyderabad, now captained by Pat Cummins, will square off against Rajasthan Royals, led by Riyan Parag, for this game. Hyderabad's squad features a mix of aggressive batters and experienced bowlers, including Travis Head, Henrik Larsson, and Mohammad Shami. On the other hand, Rajasthan Royals boast a formidable lineup featuring stars like Sanju Samson, Yashasvi Jaiswal and Shimron Hetmeyer. A high-intensity contest is expected as both teams aims to kickstart their IPL 2025 campaign with a victory. With a blend of seasoned veterans and young talent, this match is set to be a thrilling encounter. Sunrisers Hyderabad versus Rajasthan Royals head-to-head record. Sunrisers Hyderabad have won 11 out of 20 encounters between these two teams, while Rajasthan Royals have secured 9 victories. SRH holds a slight edge in the past meetings, but RR's improved squad makes this match unpredictable. Sunrisers Hyderabad versus Rajasthan Royals weather and pitch report. The temperatures are expected to be around 29 degrees Celsius, with overcast conditions potentially aiding swing bowlers in the early overs. The pitch at Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium is batting friendly, with an average first innings score of 191 runs. Pacers are expected to get some assistance, especially with the new ball. Chasing teams have had a 55% success rate, making toss in this game a crucial one. Now, where to watch Sunrisers Hyderabad versus Rajasthan Royals IPL match 2025. This match will be played on March 23rd, 2025 at the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium, Hyderabad. This will begin at 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and fans can watch all the live action on Star Sports Network and stream it online on Jio Hotstar. Now moving on to Sunrisers Hyderabad versus Rajasthan Royals predicted playing 11. Firstly, Sunrisers Hyderabad. Abhishek Sharma opening alongside Travis Head. Ishan Kishan at number 3. Henrik Larsson, the wicketkeeper, at number 4. Nitish Kumar Reddy at number 5. Abhinav Manohar at number 6. Harshal Patel at number 7. Pat Cummins, the captain, at number 8. Vian Mulder, another all-rounder, at number 9. Mohammad Shami at number 10, and finally Rahul Chahar at number 11. Now the Rajasthan Royals. Yashasvi Jaiswal opening alongside Sanju Samson. At number 3 will be captain Riyan Parag. At number 4, Nitish Rana. At number 5, Shimron Hetmeyer. At number 6 will be Dhruv Jurel, the wicketkeeper. At number 7, Vanindu Hasranga. At number 8, Jofra Archer. At number 9, Tushar Deshpande. At number 10 will be Mahesh Tikshana. And finally Sandeep Sharma at number 11. Now the Sunrisers Hyderabad versus Rajasthan Royals Dream 11 prediction and the fantasy cricket tips. Firstly, the captaincy picks. Ishan Kishan is a dynamic left-handed wicketkeeper batsman who provides explosive starts and stability at the top order. Riyan Parag, the new standard captain of the Rajasthan Royals, brings versatility as a middle order batsman and can contribute with leg break bowling as well. Now the top picks. Vanindu Hasranga is a game-changing all-rounder capable of making impact both with bat and ball. His aggressive batting style and wicket-taking leg spin makes him a deadly pick. Nitish Kumar Reddy is a promising all-rounder who can contribute both with bat and ball and all the departments at the crucial moments. Now the budget picks. Harshal Patel is a specialist death bowler known for his deceptive variations and precise yorkers. Vian Mulder offers all-round abilities, providing a solid batting option while being an effective medium fast bowler. Now the Sunrisers Hyderabad versus Rajasthan Royals Dream 11 predicted teams. Firstly, Dream 11 Team 1, safe team for small leagues. Keepers, Henrik Larsson, Sanju Samson and Ishan Kishan. Batsmen, Travis Head and Yashasvi Jaiswal. All-rounders, Abhishek Sharma, Vanindu Hasranga, Nitish Kumar Reddy and Riyan Parag. Bowlers, Mohammad Shami and Pat Cummins. Now the captains and vice-captains, Ishan Kishan will be leading this side, having Vanindu Hasranga as the vice-captain. Now Dream 11 Team 2, risky team for the Grand Leagues. Wicket-keepers, Sanju Samson and Ishan Kishan. Batsmen, Travis Head and Yashasvi Jaiswal. All-rounders, Abhishek Sharma, Vanindu Hasranga, Nitish Kumar Reddy and Riyan Parag. And finally the bowlers, Mohammad Shami, Pat Cummins and Jofra Archer. Riyan Parag will be leading the side, having Nitish Kumar Reddy as his deputy. Now the players to avoid in this game. Kunal Singh Rathore and Kamindu Mendes might not get the game time, making them risky picks for this match. Now the expert advice for SRH RR Dream 11 predictions. For small leagues, Ishan Kishan is a strong captaincy choice, while Riyan Parag could be great captaincy option for the Grand Leagues. Jofra Archer and Henrik Larsson are the potential wildcard picks, and the ideal Dream 11 combination will be 3 wicket keepers, 2 batsmen, 4 all-rounders and 2 bowlers. Now the Sunrisers Hyderabad versus Rajasthan Royals match prediction. Sunrisers Hyderabad have a well-balanced squad with power hitters at the top and experienced pace attack, making them slight favourites in this contest. Their home advantage and strong bowling unit led by Pat Cummins and Mohammad Shami gave them a slight edge. But on the other hand, Rajasthan Royals have a lineup that can change the game in matter of overs. With Yashasvi Jaiswal, Sanju Samson and Riyan Parag leading the batting charge and the dangerous Jofra Archer and Vanindu Hasranga in the bowling attack, they can pose a serious challenge. While Sunrisers Hyderabad appear to be better suited for the conditions, Rajasthan Royals have the firepower to pull off an upset if their top order fires. Expect a high-scoring thriller with a game likely to be decided in the final overs. Stay tuned for more updates, cricket analysis, Dream 11 predictions and the match predictions only on Cricket Addictor.